Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Fino Concept, and this is the Soundcore Icon Mini. This is from Anker, and if you are someone who uses power banks a lot or Bluetooth devices a lot, then I'm pretty sure you've heard of them. So is this in any way better than other Bluetooth devices in the market? Well, let's find out then. Alright, so if you buy one of these, this is what you get. Solid plastic packaging. On the box are some few specifications and some other text that are so small that I could hardly read. As stated, this is a product by Anker, so you can clearly see that on the packaging also. The unboxing experience is about as basic, with a speaker on top. The user manual, which you should definitely read, and a micro USB for charging are all neatly packed in this box behind the speaker. Yeah, unfortunately in this day and age that most devices besides Apple are switching to the USB Type-C, it would have been nice to see it on this device also. Now there are a bunch of colors out there, but this orange one is the one I got my hands on, and I feel it catches the eyes. I mean, just look at the blue background I have in there, and this is popping right out of it. It weighs 0.4 pounds or 6.4 ounces, which added to the oval and smallest design makes it easier to grab in the hands. Just for comparison, in case you don't already know that I have small hands, this is how it looks right next to a normal size Rubik's Cube. And the rubbery feel of this is also a great idea. I feel like they really took their time when coming up with a design for this. This same rubber coating prevents it from slipping or sliding off the decks whilst playing. But not all is rubber and plastic. The front part with the Soundcore name is a metal with some anti-rust coating. It is rated to have an 8 hours playback time, IP67 water resistance, and wireless stereo pairing in case you purchase 2 of these. They are so confident enough to say that you can fully immerse this in water and it is still going to work, up to 1 meter for 30 minutes though. But as at now, I don't have the heart or the luxury to try that out. So there are 5 buttons on this: the Bluetooth, volume up and down, mode, and the power button. Although the buttons feel squishy and soft to press, I don't like them. And since they don't protrude as much, you constantly have to look before you press, unlike other devices that you can identify by touch alone. To connect the device, press the power button just once, and then press and hold the Bluetooth button for about 2 seconds. Once you see this blinking blue light, you know it's ready to pair. Then on your phone or PC, you search for new devices, and once connected, the light stays on. Here's a test on how it sounds, comparing it to my old Dell N5050 laptop. While still at it, why don't we throw in my favorite Bluetooth speaker, the TG163, in there for comparison. Obviously, the TG163 is a lot louder because it has a bigger speaker, but I realized that it also produces distorted audio at maximum volume, unlike the Soundcore. On the right side of the device is the aux output and the charging port. Now to use the aux output port, you need a 3.5 to 3.5mm audio cable to connect. And this does not come in the box. Luckily, I had one from the generic STN474 Bluetooth headset review I did a while back, and I used that to test. Now this is as simple as just connecting both devices via the cable and you are good to go. Even though this way means you always have to connect via cable, I feel it's much convenient for me, because I realized that with these Bluetooth devices, once you are connected to the Bluetooth, it uses up a ton of power as connected via cable. Again, with my experiment, here I go. I got carried away this time round and tried to connect a normal 3.5mm headphone to see if it will still work. It didn't. But if it did, I'm actually wondering if anyone in their right sense will actually connect their phone to this via Bluetooth and use a cable to connect to this whilst listening to the same music, when they can just connect to their phone instead. But I just wanted to test it out and it didn't work. So to wrap up, is this the Bluetooth speaker for you? Well, I noticed that everything about this feels premium, as it should, because it costs roughly around 230 cedis if you include shipping. And that's one other major thing I dislike about this, the huge price tag. I was expecting that at that range we were at least getting the micro SD card slot or a USB type A port so that we can connect a pen drive or memory card to it and use it at the same time. But unfortunately, we don't get it. Regardless, the amount of bass you get with this device and the sound quality coming out of this, plus the build quality, I feel that it is worth the money. Or maybe it's because it's produced by Anker, they can slap any amount of money they want on it. No one is competing. So yeah, if you have the money with you, you should definitely consider getting this one. But if you don't, just go with the cheaper ones. I've already done a review about a ton of them. You can even get one for 50 cedis, which sounds louder than this one, but it's not going to be as portable though. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you thought about this video. If the audio sounds right, anything you found problematic, let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to always upgrade every single day. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and other channels which I have them linked below. And as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Fino Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.